All right, so this is take 2 on the 4-step plan for problem solving in word problems, because the first video was like really blurry, so I'm hoping this one's a better quality. So we'll go from there. I'll say it like I say every time. Take notes, label your page, put the date on, and push pause as needed, and hopefully the pause feature will work this time as well. So steps in becoming a good problem solver. A couple of things you need to do. First of all, underlining your keywords. Very important in those word problems, finding those keywords. Organizing your information. Reading and rereading carefully. That's very, very, very important to read and reread and reread again. Draw pictures and use other strategies. Now, you're not going to draw a picture every single word problem, but some problems do make it easier if you draw a diagram. Show your work. Always show your work. Very few times this year will I allow you to do work in your head. I can't help you if it's in your head. I can help you on paper, but I can't help you in the head. Next one is ask yourself if your final answer makes sense. And that's very critical as well. Does it make sense? Read the problem again. If it makes sense, good. If it doesn't, then mean like, something's wrong, go back and work on it again. Finally, don't give up and don't guess and hope for the best. Just continue working hard and persevere through the hard ones. So again, pause if you need to get these strategies down. The next one is, the first step in problem solving is to explore. Read the problem carefully. Ask yourself the following questions. What facts do I know, and what do I need to find out? So what do I know? What do I need to find out? Step 2 is to make a plan. See how the facts relate to each other and make a plan for solving the problem. Estimate your answer. So with making the plan, does this mean you need to draw a table? Does it make a chart? Draw a picture? Work backwards. So there's multiple strategies to use in solving the problem. We can talk about that more in class tomorrow. So making a plan. So exploring first, making a plan. Next is solving. Use your plan that you devised and solve the problem. If your plan doesn't work, revise and make a new one, just like the engineering design process. It's not always going to work the first time. If it doesn't, revise, make a change, and then go back and do it again. Very important there. Finally, examine. So reread the problem. Ask yourself the following questions. Is my answer close to my estimate that I made? And does my answer make sense for the problem? If those two are yes, my answer is close to my estimate, and yes, my answer makes sense for the problem, then I'm probably good to go. And make sure you check your work too. Make sure you don't make any careless errors. So again, our steps were to explore, to plan, to solve, and to examine. And by doing those 4 key skills, that should increase and improve your problem-solving abilities. We'll have a graphic organizer in class tomorrow that can help through this process to get you used to it. But it's critical this year, especially as you're getting into more advanced math, that you go through these steps so that you don't miss the multi-step problems and only answer the first part, or you get tricked into the unknown or the missing information or the added information. Very important.